we all prepare and know this bittersweet future for us. That in the end, we will be judged where we are worthy. Para ho ba tayo sa langit o para sa kabaliktaran ng langit? Hindi madaling pag-usapan o hindi marahil gustong pag-usapan ng madami ang mga huling araw ng buhay natin o ng daigdig. And although we have that reservation to talk about it, it is good that we are reminded of this story in our gospel. The good will be kept, those bad will be thrown out. But my dear brothers and sisters, the Lord won't lead all of us into fear during this time, but would like us to remind of something. Yes, we may be judged at the end of our lives, but we know how God is holding us and forming us until now. Napakaganda po ng kwento po sa ating unang pagbasa. Jeremiah was led to a potter's house. And in the potter's house, the Lord relayed His message to him. That's how will I form you. Aayusin kita, pagagandahin kita, patitibayan kita, ikaw ang pinaka sa lahat ng mga bagay dito sa mundo. We go back to what we have said a while ago. Yes, there will be that day when the Lord will be defining us, who we are, if we are those good men, and those not so good. Pero sa hinabahaba ng buhay po natin, hindi bumibitaw ang Diyos para ayusin at pagandahin tayo. Not just to be worthy of heaven and for our reward after this life. We may face a bittersweet future, but every day, God is never taking away His hands to form us, to shape us, to make us good, to make us well, to make us beautiful. Are your prayers taking too long to be true in your life? Is your patience tested for your loved ones? Madami bang beses tila back at one or back to zero tayo sa buhay na ito after all the many cycles of unending learning and unlearning? Do not be afraid. We are in the good hands of this potter. Dahil hindi bumibitaw ang Diyos para ayusin tayo at para gawin tayong matibay. We celebrate today the feast of Saint Alphonsus Liguori. During his time, he was made known for his preaching and particularly his apostolate of hearing confessions. And when he preaches and when he preached, when he heard the confessions of many people, when living his life, he reminded these people how God was so patient in forming them and in taking care of them, just to make them well, just to make them good at the end of their lives and every day. My dear friends, let us hear what the prophet Jeremiah also heard. This voice of the Lord telling us that how you are to me, forming you, shaping you, make you not only pleasing for others, but good and beautifully pleasing to the eyes of this loving God.